Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick and very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the fuel pump control module on Volkswagen Tiguan first generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. We'll talk about that after that, guys. If you need to buy replacement parts and tools, we will, guys, share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can, guys, see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So for the fuel pump control module, guys, where the fuses and relays are located, we'll work in multiple fuse boxes today. Make sure to stay until the end. Let's start with some hidden components now, and then we'll get to the easy fuse box that's under the hood. But the first thing that we need to do, we come here on the driver's side, open the door underneath the steering wheel, we remove that panel right here, and we have a hidden fuse box, hidden relays as well. That's a fuse box. The relays are here. You may even have more on top and behind, quite a few more relays. We have a special video that's called VW Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's on our channel. We will teach you about all your hidden fuses, relays in that car. You have quite a few of those. Video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, by the way, guys, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Now, guys, for the fuel pump control module, which fuses we need to check here? Let's explain. The first fuse will be fuse number 48. You may or may not have this one depending on which engine you have. The fuse number is listed right here. If you don't have it, don't freak out. Now, we will explain, guys, about the fuses now under the hood. And here, okay, since we're already here, you may have one relay right there for the fuel pump on some models, right there, okay, skinny relay, and test all the relays, by the way. And here in the corner, okay, you may have another relay. I want to show you about that one, guys. Okay, we're talking about relay, two relays there in the corner right there. Let us show you pictures of those relays, and then we'll get to the fuse box itself. But if we look in the behind the dash there, guys, okay, you're going to see that fuse box layout here, and specifically here you may need to check on some cases. Okay, I want to open the diagram so I can show you. Will be relay number 2 right here that you will need to check, and also you may need to check, guys, relay let me show you. Okay, that's the ones that we had, right? Here you may need to check relay number 4 that we mentioned right here. That's relay number 4. And you may need to check, guys, also 2 more. You wonder on other Tiguans, okay? Those are, let me show you now a little bit better angle. I want to get you right here. Avoid these relays, but you may have that relay block above the fuses that looks like this one, and if you have that one, okay, the diagram, okay, that's the fuse block, the relay block right here. The diagram will look like this one, and specifically here you may need to check relay 8 and relay 4 as well. But guys, okay, so test all the relays, because some years, some models will differ. Facing the engine now on the right side, on the driver's side, this is the engine fuse box here, and specifically here, guys, this is only for 2012 to 2017 model. The facelifted fuse box for 2008 to 11 things will differ. We will explain about that as well. Let's cover 2012 to 2017 year model Volkswagen Tiguan first. We guys will need to check fuse number 18, okay, and fuse number 18 will be that fuse, that's the main fuse for your fuel pump, right here, fuel pump control module. Then we need to check fuse number 23, guys. So that's 22, give me a second, 22, 24, 23, right here. That 10M fuse, right here, will need to be checked. And also, you need to check fuse number 24, right there. And you need to, in addition, check, okay, we talked about fuse number 18, 23, 24. Those are the ones, guys. Now, we're not done. If you guys have 2008 to 2011, let's go on the computer. We have a picture of the fuse box, what it looks like, what you need to check here, okay. If you open it, you have that layout. Here specifically, guys, we'll need to check more fuses, and we're talking about fuse number 15, which will be that 10M fuse again. And then you need to check fuse number 21, which will be this fuse right here. So those are, guys, the fuses relays that you will mostly need to check. If you still have problems with it, we'll recommend to check fuses relays for terminal 15, terminal 30, and engine computer. All these videos will be on the channel, guys. If you need help with that, check it out. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.